And today we're making gingerbread people.
226 grams of cake flour, 9 grams of baking powder, 14 grams of ground ginger, 113 grams of margarine, or you can use butter, 141 grams of dark brown sugar, 1 egg, and some lemon juice. All right, the first thing you want to do is get your dark brown sugar and add an egg in, bit of lemon, and just give this a good stir around. You want to make it nice and smooth because the dark brown sugar doesn't break down that easily. Now we'll put in our flour, ginger, baking powder, give that a stir around. Add in your butter or margarine. Now we'll start this mixing on first speed. And all we need to do is crumb this up now. All right, now that's crumbed, we'll just add in our dark brown sugar. Let's give it a scrape off the bottom. And now what we want to do is make that into a nice smooth dough. Put it onto the floured table, mold it up into a nice shape. Start by rolling this out. We want to take it down to around about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. You are aiming to get 12 out of this. Bit of flour, knife underneath. And then just cut out your people. And then put them straight onto a tray. Just get rid of the flour if there's anything on the top. Right, now we'll just wash the tops over with egg wash. Now you can put faces on afterwards, or you can do some before you bake it. Now we've done our gingerbread people, we'll get them into the oven. Now we're going to be baking them in there for around about 10 to 12 minutes. The gingerbread's ready, we'll get them out. There we go, folks. It's as simple as that. Gingerbread people. Now if you want more recipes like this, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker Kitchen on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!